the new generation EXCEL-44. It offers the latest and most useful features to address the blister packing needs. EXCEL-44 is a fully automatic, balcony construction, intermittent motion, flat forming, flat sealing blister packing machine for tablets and capsules. These machines are installed at USFDA and EU GMP compliant manufacturing units such as Zydus Cadila, Jubilant Life Science, Gufic Bioscience etc. In this video we will talk majorly about the various inspection system installed at different junctions to deliver the rejection-free finished products. Describing in detail about each inspection system. Pinhole detector system from Rejection brand. It is for detection of any pinhole or a puncture in the form de web by an electronic gadget called the pinhole detector. Blister inspection system color camera, from Rejection brand. It is for inspection of proper tablets and capsules for various rejection like no fills, color variation, broken tablet, chipped off tablets, etc. OCV OCR barcode reader system from Rejection brand. That is, OCV stands for optical characteristics verification, whereas OCR stands for optical characteristics rejection. This system is for inspection of printing defects like non-readable print matter, proper batch code number, manufacturing expiry dates and barcode is properly printed or not. Splice detection and rejection system. It is for detection of the joint in the base unlidding foil. In case of any above rejections, the system passes a signal to PLC for rejecting and send the particular rejected blister to a rejection bin at the end of blistering process. Base foil and lidding foil finish detector. A sensor is installed for detection of base and lidding foil finish. As the foil finishes, it passes a signal to PLC and the machine stops immediately, giving an alarm. The machine has thermal inkjet printer for printing of batch number, manufacturing expiry dates and barcode. The aesthetic of blister with the thermal inkjet printer are excellent. The machine has 21 CFR Part 11 compliance features which covers all the audit-related requirements. Lastly, would like to grab your attention on the world-class components used in the machine from the popular brands such as gearboxes from Bonfiglioli, pneumatics from Festo, electrical system from Siemens, PLC HMI from Mitsubishi. Thank you for watching.